Once upon a time, in a colorful forest, there lived a cute bird named Bella. Bella was a loving and caring mother to her 3 little chicks. She taught them to sing sweet songs and how to fly. One day, a powerful storm approached the forest, and Bella knew they had to find shelter. She led her chicks to a safe, cozy nest in the sturdy tree. As the storm raged on, Bella told her chicks stories to keep them calm. After the storms had passed, Bella and her chicks emerged from their nests to find that many other birds had lost their homes. Bella, being kind-hearted, invited them to share their nest until they could build new ones. The other birds were grateful, and soon they all became friends, sharing their stories, songs, and laughter. As little chicks learned an important lesson that day: kindness and generosity can create wonderful friendships and make the world a better place. And so, in that colorful forest, the love and kindness of Bella, the cute bird, and her children brought joy to all who lived there. For watching and show some kindness like Bella the bird and her children, please like, subscribe, and share.